So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Rain Industries. So about Rain Industries, we have already discussed in the Telegram section. It is not that today it has given 10% movement. We are discussing about that. So in the Telegram section, we have already discussed near the I guess 136 or 138 rupees level on February 17th. And also I told that in short term it may go to 155, and today it has almost gone to 158, and currently it's trading near 155. So what are the various reasons? So everything we'll find out. And technically also I've told that since it is on the support, definitely I tell all my setup in all my videos. When I discuss about any stock, I discuss the complete setup. Why should you enter any stock, both on indicators, volume as well as technical. So these are the three things that I follow, and after that only I suggest in the Telegram. So today not only Rain Industries but also Texmo Pipes and other stocks like On Mobile, so everything have shown some very good movement. So take the right positions, do your own analysis, and then only invest. So if you have not joined the Telegram, definitely join the Telegram. I'll provide the link in the description and comment section. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so we know that there are various tweets from the various news channels as well. So what was the main reason? So we know that the quarter results of the Rain Industries are to be declared. So we know that whenever any positive shifts are present in any results, ultimately the stock prices also start moving up, and also the commodity rally, and also we know that the CPC prices, which have also rallied almost 30%, if you see the recent close. So these was the two major things why the Rain Industries stock has started moving up. So it was also present near the supports. I clearly told that whenever it is present at good levels, you should also employ that same setup, so that you will also have an idea that when the stock is present at the support, then you can have a fresh entry. Okay, so that is one thing I told. So quickly we'll do the volume analysis, and then we'll go to the technical charts to find out the next set of targets. Okay, so if we see the volume analysis on clear, you can see clearly on 22nd February, that is yesterday itself, we have seen some increase in the traded quantity. That is unusual volume. That is operators have entered yesterday itself. So that's why you can see the traded quantity has increased suddenly. That is what does trade quantity indicate? Obviously traded quantity indicates the volatility. So whenever volatility is high, what does it mean? It means that the stock has potential of going showing huge momentum, that is either upside or downside. Since positive note, that's why upside. And also the dark blue color bars indicate the deliverable quantity, so which is suggesting that more and more shares are being added into the demat account. So this is what is volume analysis, and for this particular stock, clearly you can see the deliverable quantities have increased significantly with the rise in traded quantity. Okay, so results are yet to come, so this week. So once the results will updated, I'll update in the Telegram section as well. Okay, so next, when we see what the indicators are suggesting, so you can see indicators wise we employ two major indicators. So one is RSI, which is the relative strength index, and second one is the MFI, which is the money flow index. So money flow index, it has entered the overbought region. So clearly you can see it is near 80.1. So generally 70 above is called overbought and 30 below is called oversold. So since it has entered overbought region, so it doesn't mean it should come down. So why it has gone to overbought? Because some strong reason is present regarding the quarter result. So that is why it has gone to overbought region. So it may continue there. So since market also today we have seen some bullishness, since Reliance has also shown some positive momentum. So I think this particular stock should maintain that momentum. So I'll tell when to exit. If you have taken any position, do mention in the comment section, so that when many people have taken, so definitely it's my duty to tell in the Telegram that when to exit as well. So RSI, you can see it is near 59. So you can see strength is in mid range. So still momentum is there for RSI. So hoping that it will continue its journey. It also depends upon the market condition. So if market also goes well, so definitely it may show some momentum. So another thing is that FIIs have started selling. So if we see yesterday's overall market activity that has happened, so we have seen that net FIIs and net DIIs, both of them were on selling side. So generally whenever FIIs sell, obviously DIIs buy, and when DIIs sell, FIIs buy. So this is the basic scenario happens in our Indian markets. So yesterday both of them have sold. So today we need to see whether FIIs are still selling or whether DIIs are buying. So that is very much important. Whenever FIIs do any selling, obviously there will be a huge impact in market. So FIIs are the major players, right? So when FIIs start selling, so that time market also little bearishness will be seen. Okay, keep all these things points into radar, and then only do any sort of investment or trading. Okay, so if we see returns wise, how much returns it has provided. So Rain Industries has given a return of almost 13.80% return in 1 week. So you can see how much returns, decent returns in just 1 week, 1 month 20.30, over 3 months 39.43, 6 months 29.66, 10 years 413, 5 years 434, 1 year 56.25. So 17th guys, we have discussed last week. So definitely if you have bought those shares, definitely you would be earning very good profit. That is moderate. 13%, 14% in a week is not bad at all. Okay, so that is very great returns. So consistency is important. So holding any stock consistently, holding any stock and getting consistent returns is very important, rather than investing lakhs and lakhs of rupees and getting into losses. Something different. Try to understand that consistency with good returns is important if you want to sustain in this particular market. So quickly we'll go to technical charts and we'll see what are the supports as well as resistances. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So this is the 1-day chart of Rain Industries. So currently it's trading near 158.45 and it has shown almost 10.70 positive movement. So it is fluctuating. It is going to 8%, again 10%. So it doesn't matter for us. So if we see the reason why I have picked this stock for positional is because it was very well taking the support of its 50 exponential moving average. So even though it has gone below that, again it has started retesting that, and again it has given closing above that, and secondary confirmation is that what you can see, money flow index is also showing that it has entered the oversold region. So that's why when two confirmations are present, then definitely you can enter in that particular region as well. So I have also taken a positional trade in Rain Industries. So my short term target was 155. So that already I have discussed in the Telegram. So if you want to see all the positional trades that I have taken, so do mention, I'll discuss about that as well, and I'll post the screenshots in the Telegram as well. Okay, so this is one thing. So now it is freely moving up, so nothing hurdle for it. So if you see volume also today, suddenly it has increased, okay, as compared to previous overall days volume. So currently it's continuing its journey. So major resistance for it is 158 and 160. Okay, so 160 is one resistance, so from where it should move and give a closing. So again, if it settles near 155, then definitely depends upon you. If you have entered in good quantity near 136 rupees, so partially book your profit. Otherwise it's a very good stock for long term as well. Okay, nothing wrong in selling this. Okay, another thing, if you see in 1 week chart also, you can see the 50-day moving average is almost about to give a breakout, that is a crossover with 200 days. So both are about to coincide. So whenever any small moving average cuts a large moving average, so again that is a bullishness. Okay, even though it may retest it, but again it's a confirmation that it may show some momentum in the coming sessions as well. So 78 is the current situation in money flow index for the weekly chart. Okay, so this is the basic scenario. So 160 should be 160 is the level which it should break, and it should give the closing above that, so then only we can see any further movement. And 155 you can take as a support. So 155 is that level where I told in Telegram as well, so you can take that as a strictly strong support. And if it takes support and closes above that today, then definitely in the coming sessions also it may show that bullishness. Okay, so further if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section, and also follow me Twitter, so that you can message me personally if you have any doubts regarding any shares. I'll answer them. So many people have messaged as well, so I'm replying to all the comments. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.